So in this section, we're going to spend a few minutes talking about photosynthesis. And photosynthesis, which is an organelle in a lot of plants, green plants, that creates sugar. And we all love sugar, and we all want to understand where sugar comes from, right? So photosynthesis creates sugar, and sugar is the most basic of carbohydrates. And because sugar is created, we are able to have energy. All living things require this glucose in order to function and to create a substance we know as ATP, talk about that later, and to function and do all of our metabolic processes, okay? So again, this all occurs inside of what we call the chloroplast. And inside the chloroplast are these stacks of discs we've called thylakoids. Thylakoids have pigments on them that collect light energy. And that light energy busts apart water molecules, liberating electrons, and then that is used in another part of this chemical reaction to grab carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and then bond them together. Now, in order to make glucose, you need 6 carbons, and so it goes around 6 times grabbing 6 carbon molecules in order to produce a glucose molecule. So we're going to divide this into 2 groups. The first part of it we're going to call the light reactions. This is where that light energy comes in and busts apart a water molecule. So we need water, and then after these light reactions take place, it moves into what we used to call the dark reactions. Now we call it the light independent reactions, or the Calvin cycle. And the Calvin cycle is where that carbon is collected out of the atmosphere, pulled in, and the energy that from liberating that water is used to bind together 6 carbon molecules to make our glucose. So the inputs from our photosynthesis is light energy with water and CO2. The outputs are carbon dioxide and glucose molecules. And that's how we get sugar. Thank you.